a vibrant, flavorful, plant-based twist on the classic Japanese stir-fried noodle dish. Packed with colorful veggies, a fragrant soy, mirin sauce, and warm, comforting noodles, this recipe is quick, satisfying, and perfect for weeknights. For the yakisoba sauce, you'll need 3 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of low-sodium dark soy sauce, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and 1 small, finely chopped red chili. Also, 20 grams of grated fresh ginger and 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water to thicken the sauce. For the stir-fry, gather 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, for spring onions sliced diagonally, 1 large carrot peeled and cut into thin matchsticks, and 1 red bell pepper sliced into strips. You'll also need 200 grams of broccoli cut into bite-sized pieces, 400 grams of frozen edamame beans, 75 grams of shredded green cabbage, and 50 grams of vegetarian kimchi, which is optional but adds a great tangy kick. Finally, 200 milliliters of vegetable stock and 300 grams of cooked and drained vegan-friendly soba or stir-fry noodles. To finish, have ready 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, fresh red chili slices if desired, and black pepper to taste. First, prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together the mirin, soy sauce, garlic, chili, ginger, and the corn flour mixture. Set aside. This will give your yakisoba its signature glossy, savory coating. Next, stir-fry the vegetables. Heat the sesame oil in a wok or a large frying pan. Add the spring onions, carrot, and red pepper. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften while keeping a bit of crunch. Then, toss in the broccoli, edamame, shredded cabbage, and kimchi if using. Continue stir-frying for another 2 to 3 minutes. The vegetables should soften slightly but stay vibrant. Pour the sauce into the pan and add the vegetable stock. Bring everything to a gentle simmer. Within a couple of minutes, the sauce will thicken into a glossy coating. If it becomes too thick, add a splash of water. Add the cooked noodles and gently toss them through the vegetables until evenly coated and heated through. Season with black pepper. Dish into bowls and sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. Add fresh chili slices for extra heat if you like. To make it spicier, add more chili or a drizzle of chili oil before serving. Boost the protein by tossing in pan-fried tofu or tempeh. Use what you have. Mushrooms, bean sprouts, zucchini, or pak choi all work beautifully. For a gluten-free option, use gluten-free tamari and gluten-free soba noodles. Enjoy this delicious and healthy vegan yakisoba with spring vegetables.